just rained a few moments ago. We're back up on the roof. Rich is going to explain what you can see on our new flat roof versus the neighbors.
Right, on this flat roof, we went ahead and put the ISO board and pitched the roof. You can see that the roof is virtually dry after just a little while after the rain. More importantly, you look over at this roof over here and you see the water sitting on top of it. That's bad for a couple reasons. The water structurally isn't good for the roof because it's holding a lot of weight. They're not really designed to hold. Also, it's not good for product to have water sitting on it. Most roof systems aren't designed to have standing water like a commercial roof would have.
Thank you for watching. You can subscribe here to get our latest videos, and be sure to check out more of the best clips from Paradise Exteriors here. Thank you. Have a paradise day.